Hello, my friends. Today I want to share with you the new updates about the Nissan Leaf replacement battery. As we know, this replacement solution by lithium cells has been emerged in the market in the past 2 years. So this solution is quite mature. In terms of the sales and in terms of the welding, the software, all mature. So currently in the market there are two technical routes. One is by using the cells, do the DIY modules, and the other one is using the standard Kato modules, 24 modules. So, but the problem is both solutions right now in the market can give only 2 years warranty. Why? Because they are using the cells, the cycle only about 2000, below 2000 cycles. So but I meet a lot of customers, they wish to extend the warranty to 4 or 5 years. So we have been doing the research, and finally we find brand new grade A cells from the market. So by using these brand new cells, we can make the Nissan Leaf replacement battery pack good quality, which can provide you 5 years warranty, because the single cell cycle is above more than 3000 cycles. So the price, I can tell you roughly. For example, if the battery pack is 50 kilowatt hour, so the full pack price is 9,500 US dollar. So if you need this Nissan Leaf battery pack with 5 years warranty, please contact me. Right now in China, only we can make 5 years warranty Nissan Leaf battery pack replacement. Thank you. I'm Robert.